people get too caught up in people trying to like them, you know.
And so what's up with you? Are you going to be running or doing anything that...
Yeah, so I should be getting home after work around like 6. So I'll give you enough time to go ahead and at least try to do a 5K after work every day.
And what is a 5K? 3 miles or?
3.1.
Oh, yeah.
So it's not bad.
Interesting.
I usually like to go before work, but fuck, I'm leaving the house by 3:30 now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, because so how long is your drive to get to work?
About hour 45.
That's not really that bad because when I think about it, when I was in California, you know, it would take sometimes a couple hours to get to Orange County or to get to LA from Orange County.
Seeing that fucking crazy.
So it's like, and really it didn't seem like that much time, even though that is. So I'm saying really it's not that bad.
No, and it's a lot easier driving than driving up to Los Alamos.
Oh, yeah. Wait, why is that? Why is it an easier drive?
I'd say because you're on I-25 and then you hop off, you have to drive through Santa Fe. It's just less traffic, less jackasses on the road, you know?
Is it a less of a drive time-wise?
No, but it's less stressful.
Is it the same equally time-wise or more?
It's probably about a half hour more out to Corona.
Oh, it's not bad.
No, but definitely less stressful.
Yeah, that's good. And what, bigger pay out there or
Yeah.
for you?
Yeah, they're just throwing money out over there right now.
Nice. Yeah, I like how you seize the moment to actually capture it.
Yeah, you have to right now, you know. Just chase the money for a little bit.
Oh yeah, the haircut looks great. And as a matter of fact, now that I watch, once I clean this up, I can't wait till you see how great it accentuates the actual cut itself. Like now you can see it again.
Yeah, you definitely killed it last
Adding
time.
that stark contrast. Like watch, even look at this side right over here, just so you can see how that's already.
Oh yeah. See,
Yeah. It's making the difference of. Guys, we just did a scissor haircut, added layers to the side of his hair, you know, did all this stuff like that just so it could set well. That way he could, it'll last him about 6 months. I'm just cleaning his neck and his sideburns up right here. Oh, yeah. And so what, was Sunday working good for you or?
Yeah, Sundays be my only days off for a little bit because we're on a 6-10 schedule out there.
Oh, nice. Yeah, this Sunday is busy for me, like these Sundays for some reason, so I've just kept coming in on Sunday. It's like if people work Monday through Friday, it's really hard to get in during the week. Imagine working 8 hours one day and then trying to come in afterwards for a haircut you haven't even eaten all day, and
Yeah.
it's just hard to do. So it's like, you know, and then Saturday you look at the barber's schedule and it's like, oh, he's busy. But then it's like, okay, cool, he's open on Sunday, I can book that. And because now it's pretty booked out. Like someone will come right after you, then and someone's getting a scissor haircut right after you, so that'll be an hour, and then it's whoever's coming after him. And I noticed on Sunday though they won't come. The first one won't come till 8. Even though I think we're open at 7:30, I think there's never been one on Sunday until 8. Now during the week or whatever, they've come as early as 7. Coming in right before work and
Yeah. I usually try not to come too early. I'm like, I'll let the man chill for a little bit.
oh, for me?
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't.
That's what I think about. I'm
No,
like,
I don't, dude. I don't care at all. Trust me, I'm here, and then I gotta. Yeah, I can see that, but then okay, so imagine this this effect. Yes, he does get to chill, and then you come in at the right time. You can't tell someone when to come in; they might be doing something on the phone. But then also, if they do come in, he still has that time off the back end.
Yeah.
So if they're early,
Yeah.
so really, to me, I never. There's a dude that comes here that, that he's here early, extremely early, but every single time. But for some reason, it works really well because I don't know. It's weird. It'll be like I'm off a cut or I got done early, and then he's there, so it's like I can get started on his cut right away,
All right.
and then just do the break on the back end.
Yeah.
It's better that way, because then imagine I don't want them to have to sit and wait. I want them to know that if they show up and that I'm here, that we can go ahead and I'm ready to go at all times. The only time I'm not ready to go is if I'm at home. But if I'm here, I'm always ready to go. And you know me, there's hardly ever time that I'm going to be sitting and eating. I'll time that out really well, like to where I just finished and I have that full 30 minutes of a break to eat. So it's like, so you won't walk into like any of that. Yeah, you've been here since we've opened. Like, you've been here from the very beginning. Without a shadow of a doubt. Even your lady knew, she's like, he won't go anywhere else. It was like...
No, I will not.
Because even when you were out of town, like, I was like, that's where I was like, geez, I was like, damn, hey, that's where I knew, too. I was like, yeah, there's a lot of them here like that. Hey, you're one of them for sure. Like that they won't, there's some kids here that won't go anywhere else, which is a trip at that young of an age.
That's good.
Like they'll be like some of them trying to show like extreme loyalty, but I also think they're really loyal to their good cut as well. Like they want to have a good, they feel like, you've nailed their cut just perfect. So they're,
oh yeah.
So they want to probably come here too. It isn't just, but for me, it's like kind of cool because it's like loyalty and everything too.
Yeah, you don't have much of that these days.
They get to have loyalty to the barber, but they also get to get a really good haircut. So it's like loyalty to their cut. Give them a reason to have loyalty to the barber, whatever it is.
You got any other plans for today?
I work till 1, and then
Oh yeah, you still got the whole day.
yeah, and it's not too it's not going to be like cold out just yet. Next week it might get cold, so I'll probably go to the park by my house, take my dog on a walk right away.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, like my routine right away as soon as I get home is I'll take him on a walk.
Good.
Because that homie's like real well behaved, and
Yeah.
I can't have him here. Just because I'm dealing with, I have to really pay attention to these cuts.
Oh yeah.
I can't be on a full-blown scissor haircut. I could see like you're on a basic haircut with the 2 on the sides but it's still disrespectful to the client.
Yeah.
So I'm saying at the end of the day, yeah, the dog's cute and everything, but we have to run a business. And it's if it was a bigger location, there was a front desk lady and she was able to facilitate him, then that would be a different story. But it's that isn't. Like right now, I could really focus on your cut really well. And then I don't even have to answer the phone or anything. Because the phone, I actually redid a whole message, and you know, if I'm available, I will pick that phone up.
Yeah.
But I do not want to jump off of your haircut to go pick a phone call up. Again, it kind of goes to you're not paying me to be on the phone. It's okay to hear it ring and for me to respect you and finish the cut. And you have a nice, respectful message on the phone. Hey, we'd love to have you in. I'm on a cut right now. Go ahead and leave a message, or if you'd like to book an appointment, come in and book, you know, you go ahead and go online and book one. We're getting our sign redone up here. It's going to be all black in the background and then have our logo slapped on in the center that says Swim Salon. Yeah. Nice. And then I'm going to rewrap our windows and do like a cool picture going across or something.
Hell yeah.
Just upscale it. And yeah, this longer hair on yours is supposed to last. So, I mean, watch, you'll see how this, you won't, yeah, you have good hair. I'm surprised that, damn, this is how you know you have good hair, because you grew it out. It was good when it was short, without a doubt, but it's, you can tell that it's really, you have to have really good hair to rock a scissor haircut.
Yeah, that's what, I'll be rocking long hair for a little bit.
Yeah. Look, honestly, a mathematical breakdown, it's cheaper to rock it like that. Just because you're not getting a cut nearly as often. Imagine having a razor fade and you're coming in every single week.
Yeah.
You know, for even the lower cost of the haircut or whatever you do it. Yeah, we have the running trail. You can use that number. Come by, you can do whatever you want to do. I'm always at home just kicking it, like never doing anything.
Yeah, I think, what was it? Sometime last week I hit you up. Yeah.
On the other, you know what? I have another phone number, dude.
Oh,
I have I'm going to give it to you before you leave.
Okay.
I have a private telephone. I have the other, so when I went on all those damn things too, a lot of people were trying to, you know, it just brought a lot of messaging, and I was like, I'm going to switch my number. Damn it. That's what it, watch, I have another number. You're more than welcome to, because I would never not answer. God damn it. I knew that some people were going to be hitting me up on that old number too.
Oh, that's all right.
Watch, I'll give that to you today. That way you have it. And then watch, look at this, and then lift up the back of your hair and look at that.
Oh yeah, see. Oh yeah. This is why I come back.
Yeah, that looks sick. Oh yeah. Yeah, your hair is great. And what do you think? You like it?
I fucking love it.
Sick.